Hi, hello friends. Welcome to the 8th day of Navratri. Because it falls on the Ashtami Tithi, it is also called Durga Ashtami. And devotees worship Ma Mahagauri on this day. And Ma Mahagauri represents the most merciful form of Ma Durga. Because of her fair complexion, she is called as Mahagauri. And color of the day is pink. And my today's prasadam is chana dal payasam and puliyogare. So let us see how to prepare the chana dal payasam and puliyogare. Thank you all.
Here I have taken 1 packet of MTR Puliyogare masala powder.
To prepare puliyogare, let's heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, let's add 2 tablespoons of puliyogare mix. This is ready-made puliyogare mix of MTR. Saute it on low flame. Once that is done, let's add the cooked rice. I have already kept rice cooked and ready. Mix it well.
I have already posted a video on how to prepare Puliyogare mix at home. I will share the link below. Please have a look at it and you can prepare Puliyogare mix at home with all the ingredients available at home itself.
I am adding 1 more tablespoon of puliyogare. Since there is already salt in the puliyogare mix, adding very little salt. Add few curry leaves. Mix it well. And our puliyogare rice is ready.
To prepare the chana dal payasam, let's take 3/4 cup of chana dal, soak it for 5 to 6 hours, wash it thoroughly, add it to a pressure cooker, add 2 cups of water and allow it to pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles and allow it to cool down and open the cooker and let's see.
Our chana dal is cooked well, perfectly cooked. Just mash it a bit. And we are going to prepare the payasam now. Let's heat a pan. I have already added 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let's add few cashew nuts. Add few raisins. Once both are fried well, switch off the flame and transfer it to another bowl. In the same pan, let's add the cooked chana.
Actually, we can prepare this chana dal mix in 2 ways. First one is roast the chana dal and then soak it and pressure cook it. And the second method is just soak the chana dal without roasting, pressure cook it, and then add it to a pan along with ghee. Keep on stirring till the raw taste disappears. So you may have to add little more ghee in between and Keep on stirring it and get it to the perfect consistency. This is the first time I'm trying it and it turned out to be good and perfectly okay.
Once it come off the sides of the pan, let's add jaggery. I have added 3/4 cup of jaggery. Once the jaggery is melted, keep on stirring. See to that it doesn't catch at the bottom of the pan or at the sides. Keep on stirring on low flame. Once it is cooked well, mixed well, see the bubbles start coming. Keep on stirring for some more time. Reduce the flame and let us add 1 cup of milk. This is the fresh cream milk which I have boiled and kept. I'm going to add it. Instead of this, you can add, if you get fresh coconut milk. Coconut milk has a better taste, but it's okay if you don't have coconut milk. You can add the fresh milk also. But warm the milk and boil the milk and add it. Once it comes to a nice boil, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Our payasam has come to the perfect consistency. This is the way it should be. After it cools down, it becomes thicker. So let's not make it too thick at this stage. Let's switch off the flame. Add the fried cashew and raisins. Switch off the flame. Our payasam prasadam is ready.
Please try preparing both of these recipes. Thank you all for watching my videos. We'll come up with another video tomorrow. And those who have joined for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe my videos. See you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. God bless everyone.